Between the Herald and Channel 5, we reached out to the Department of Justice, Probation and Pretrial Office, and Judge Olvera's office for comment. None was issued. Due to the shutdown, the federal judiciary continues to operate under the Anti-Deficiency Act. This act basically says the federal courts can't spend money that hasn't yet been appropriated or approved by Congress, but they still have to work. We've also reported on the impact to the immigration court since late December. A month later, now, Channel 5's Angela Vargas shows us the domino effect the delay of immigration court hearings is having here in the Valley.
Asylum seekers are stuck waiting. Their cases are being rescheduled once the partial government shutdown ends.
We shall overcome.
The voices of many countries together in one room. A song is another way asylum seekers learn English at the La Posada Providencia refugee shelter in San Benito. They sing and learn here as they wait for their next immigration court cases. This woman says she left El Salvador because her family could not survive the violence.
El otro disparo lo traía en las costillas, pasó rozando su hígado. Teníamos un negocio de ropa. Tuvimos que vender todo porque como la extorsión en El Salvador tenemos ese gran problema que es la extorsión. No podemos trabajar sin.
We'll refer to her as Maria. She asked us to hide her identity to protect her from deportation. She doesn't want to hinder her case. She says she and her family traveled to Mexico and was stopped by Border Patrol. Her husband was deported in August. Her next court date was supposed to be in February. Now it's in April. Maria found out when she spoke to her lawyer.
Cuando yo le llamé a ella, que ella me mandó la carta diciéndome que había cambiado mi corte. Me dice que no me preocupe, que es por la situación que hay, que está cerrado el gobierno. Por falta de pago, entonces que ella no puede hacer nada. Pero siento que sí me afecta porque va alargando el proceso.
Información, pruebas, estilo.
Well, let's look at page 36.
La Posada Providencia is her home for now. We spoke to the interim executive director, Magda Boland, about more people arriving at their door.
Usually in one fiscal year, we would receive something like 400 clients. And right now, in this fiscal year that goes from 2018 to 2019, we've already served more than 400 clients, and it's only been 6 months.
We are told.
Maria is not alone. In late December, the Executive Office of Immigration Review sent out a notice on their lapse of appropriations. It explains some cases will proceed as planned. Others, like Maria's, will be reset and resume once the government opens. Maria says she'll have to wait for the new date. She and others will continue to live and learn with Sisters of La Posada. They wait for the government to agree on a plan. According to the Transactional Records Access Clearinghouse, the backlog of pending deportation cases keeps growing. Right now, that number stands at more than 800,000 across the country. In the Channel 5 News studio, Angelo Vargas, Channel 5 News at 6.